This is a brand new 2012 Acura MDX. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, dual-zone climate control, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, cruise control, a premium audio system, leather seats, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, rear impact crumple zones, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.